Natural ways to get rid of scabies without going to the doctor. Not only are they unsightly, but could be very bothersome as well. They could affect different parts of the body, such as the space between the fingers, waist, knees, elbows, breasts, buttocks, and even the genital area. That said, a lot of people are too embarrassed to admit that they have scabies. They're worried about being judged, because this skin problem is commonly associated with improper hygiene and sexual misconduct. Fortunately, there's a number of ways on how to get rid of scabies fast, and we have covered some of them. Tea tree oil. Mix 1 tablespoon each of tea tree oil and olive oil. Use a cotton ball to apply the solution on the affected area. Do this twice daily for 2 to 3 weeks. It will help decrease swelling and pain while speeding up the healing process. Alternatively, add 10 to 12 drops of pure tea tree oil to a bathtub of lukewarm water. Take a bath in this water twice daily for a few weeks. Note: pregnant women and nursing mothers should avoid using tea tree oil. Also, tea tree oil can irritate sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, test the treatment on a small area first. Clove oil. Besides having known antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, clove oil is also an analgesic, which relieves the almost insatiable itch that accompanies a scabies infection. Take 1 tablespoon of olive oil and add it to 4 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil. If you cannot get hold of any coconut oil, you may replace it with olive oil. However, the treatment will lose a bit of its potency as the lauric acid in coconut oil makes it a strong antibacterial in its own right. Apply this mixture to the affected area and let the skin absorb it naturally. Your condition should improve within 2 weeks. Turmeric. Turmeric is a wonder herb with antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that can greatly relieve the symptoms of scabies. Mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and a few drops of lemon juice and water to make a thick paste. Apply the paste on the affected skin and leave it on for about an hour. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Do this once daily until you notice significant improvement. Mix 1 teaspoon each of turmeric and neem powder. Add some water to form a smooth paste. Dab the paste on the affected areas and let it dry on its own. After it has dried, take a bath or shower to wash it off. Repeat this once daily. Sandalwood. Sandalwood is a reliable Ayurvedic remedy known for its multifarious properties. However, it is best used for promoting and nourishing the health of the skin. Studies on this ingredient have highlighted that it is a natural disinfectant, possesses powerful antimicrobial properties, and helps in subsiding inflammation, skin redness and sore skin. Plus, it exerts a cooling, soothing and emollient effect on application. Lavender oil. Pure lavender oil promotes skin cell regeneration and kills parasites like mites that cause scabies. Add 5 drops of pure lavender oil to warm bath water. Soak in this bath water for at least 15 minutes. This will help soothe the skin and provide some relief from the itching. Do this once daily for a few weeks. Mix equal amounts of pure lavender oil and rubbing alcohol. Apply it on the affected area and massage gently so that it penetrates and saturates the skin. This will help kill the mites and their aches. Do this twice daily to speed up the healing process. Bleach. Bleach is a type of disinfectant that could effectively dry up scabies. However, keep in mind that bleach is a very strong disinfectant, and that's why it's important to water the bleach mixture first before use. A cup of bleach should be mixed with 3 parts of water. Soak in this solution before taking a shower, so that you'll be able to completely rinse the bleach off the skin after. Be very careful and don't let any bleach get in your face, especially on your eyes. Apple cider vinegar. Vinegar is known to have a high pH, which when used on the skin causes the mites to die. In a bowl, mix equal parts of water and vinegar. Use a cotton ball to apply the solution on the affected skin. Leave it on the skin for a 15-minute, then rinse off with warm water. Do this up to 3 times in a day to get rid of the infestation completely. Cayenne powder. For several years, Cayenne powder has been considered as one of the best treatments for scabies. It burns the dermis scabies, bumps, rash, and blisters without harming the skin. The best way to use this remedy is to mix it with bath water and soap for a long time. White vinegar. The acidic nature of white vinegar changes the pH level of the skin. It has been found that any change in the pH level causes mites to die. Mix equal amounts of white vinegar and water thoroughly in a bowl. Using a cotton ball, apply the solution on the affected skin. Leave it on for a few minutes. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Repeat 3 times daily for 10 to 15 days to fight the infection completely. Neem oil. Neem oil is one of the best essential oils for scabies. For centuries, neem oil has been used medicinally in India as a form of natural pesticide and insect repellent. Though, aside from that, it also has another purpose. It could deal with scabies mites naturally. Neem oil also soothes the skin, relieves itching, numbs the pain, and effectively reduces the redness and irritation brought by infection. Using this natural remedy is fairly simple. All you have to do is pour a good amount of neem oil onto a clean cloth and apply it on the affected area. Leave the oil on the skin for about 15-20 minutes in order to reduce the swelling and eliminate the itching associated with scabies. Bitter gourd juice. Although it's bitter in taste, bitter gourd juice is also a natural remedy for scabies. It's packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, such as B vitamins, vitamin C, folate, zinc, manganese, magnesium, and iron, that it should be part of everyone's diet. Unlike other natural remedies for scabies that should be applied on the skin, this one is different. Prepare a glass of gourd juice and add a teaspoon of lime to combat its bitterness. Drink it every day and you'll see the results in no time. Useful tips and warnings. Aside from the remedies mentioned above, it's also important to clean your surroundings to ensure that you'll permanently get rid of all the traces of scabies. Those who are infected with scabies should stay out of the kitchen, because this can be hazardous for the person and there's a risk of transmitting the disease. The utensils used by the person with scabies should be sterilized right away. Scabies is more prevalent in humid environment. Make sure to keep your body clean at all times. If you like this video, give it thumbs up. Share it with your friends. For more health tips, subscribe this channel.